Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It mitigates the fire hazard. Lint itself is highly flammable and its collection in the dryer creates a reason for why dryer vent cleaning is necessary. The more lint sits in the vent, the more probable it is that it may ignite as the lint is exposed to the hot air that the dryer gives off.
Let's help you make your mark.
Between $100 and $170. Cost to clean a dryer vent cleaning costs between $100 and $170, or $133 on average. Check out the details below or compare quotes from local vent cleaning specialists for the best deal. As you use your clothes dryer on a regular basis, the vents collect a lot of lint, hair and other debris.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Every year, dryer duct fires cause $35 million in damages, hundreds of injuries and even deaths. If you ever notice a burning stench in your laundry room, this is another indication you should get cleaning sooner rather than later. Experts recommend you clean out your dryer ducts twice a year.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cost to clean a dryer vent cleaning costs between $100 and $170, or $133 on average. Check out the details below or compare quotes from local vent cleaning specialists for the best deal. As you use your clothes dryer on a regular basis, the vents collect a lot of lint, hair and other debris.
Take our lead.
Dryer vents can be professionally cleaned by an HVAC specialist, and there are companies that specialize in cleaning ductwork and dryer vents. These professionals have the tools and training and reach deep into the dryer vent and clean all debris buildup that occurs along the lining of the ventilation pipes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Put some type of screen that extends past the lint opening, which will catch the lint. Make it so you can take off the screen and clean it. Your lint pipe should catch excess lint. Vacuum your lint trap once a month.
Take our lead.
Vent cleaning companies in your area. Duct Pros, 4.9. 33 verified reviews. Duct Cleaning Services, Inc. 4.9. 42 verified reviews. United Chimney Service, Inc. 4.9. Silicon Valley Air Experts Unlicensed Contractor, 4.9. Green Cleaning Service, Inc. 2.5. Cal Duct Cleaning, 5.0. A1 Chimney Sweeps, Inc. Unlicensed Contractor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.